Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my Boxycharm. So this month's theme is Harvest, which I guess is for American Thanksgiving. In Canada, our Thanksgiving already happened in October, and actually Harvest is done and over with. There are no leaves left on the trees, but you know. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a subscription service and they send 5 full-size products every single month. I also do a blog post about my Boxycharm, going more in depth into all of the products that I'm going to be mentioning. I am just going to be saying the prices that are on the card, but in my blog post I do try and say the prices in Canadian if I can find it. So the first product we're going to go with is brows, because let's just finish off the face. We have everything else done except for brows. So this is the Benefit Gimme Brow. So this is supposed to be a tinted eyebrow gel that contains tiny microfibers that adhere to the skin and hairs, creating a natural looking fullness and definition. The custom tiny taper brush gives an easy mess-proof application. Fuller looking brows magically appear, and this is $24 US, and I have the shade 4. I do have a Benefit pencil. This is precisely my brow, and I use the shade 4.5, so let's hope that this is the right shade for me. We're not going to be putting in a pencil first, just because this is a tinted brow gel, so I want to see what difference it makes. So there we go, guys. This is the side that I've done it, and this is the side that I haven't done it. I don't need like a lot kind of thing, so I think it looks great. Okay, so there it is in my brows. So I'm pretty lucky that naturally I have pretty thick and full eyebrows. I do have some bald spots, so I do like to fill in my eyebrows a little bit, but I don't need like a ton of help. So I do believe that this did a good job of what it explained to me. It said that it's supposed to be natural looking brow hair, and I do think this looks very natural. Like, someone wouldn't look at me and be like, oh, you have like a ton of eyebrow product in your eyebrows. So it did what it said. I think if you're someone who doesn't have a lot of brow hair, you'll like this even more, because it will help you kind of fill out your sparse regions a little bit more. And I was afraid that the shade was going to be the wrong shade, and I actually think this matches perfectly. So far, so good. I will test it out more, and in the blog post I'll let you guys know about the longevity of this, because obviously that has an impact with a brow product. You don't want to put in a brow gel and then like an hour later it's moving all over the place. So stay tuned for my blog post. I'll talk more about that there. Up next, another really great name brand. We have a Natasha Denona palette. So this is the Natasha Denona Peak palette. It is a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's everyday warm tone eye pigment. There are shades from the Biba, Safari, and Sunrise palette all in this. So these are all pre-existing shades. And this is $48, and apparently this is a Boxycharm exclusive. Like, I know she does have other 5-pan ones, but this specific variation is exclusive to Boxycharm, so that's pretty good. And then to go along with this eyeshadow palette, I also have a 2-brush set. This is by Moda, which is and I have a bunch of their brushes and I absolutely love them. They're really good quality brushes. So this is Moda Ultimate Eye Sculptors, and this is also a Boxycharm exclusive. Wow, lots of Boxycharm exclusives this time around. So I'm gonna use these two to create an eye look. I think I'm gonna go pretty simple today, not gonna lie, guys. So we got this classic fluffy crease one, but look at this. It's like a triangle. Oh, interesting. So I'm going to just speed through me doing this simple eyeshadow look. Okay, so I'm done the eyeshadow. I did a pretty simple look and I just added a little bit of mascara and inner corner highlight. I didn't put on falsies, that way you guys could still see the eyeshadow. So yeah, I think it looks amazing. I used all of the shades except for the orangey one, except for this one, but I think I could have easily done the exact same look, and instead of doing the pink, do the orange. And I think it would have created a really nice look as well. Yeah. I think this is really nice and simple for every day. It's kind of nice because you kind of have all of the shades you need right here. And the brushes, oh my god, I love these brushes. As you saw, I was able to do most of this look with just these two brushes. The only other ones I needed was just a flat shader to set my eye primer, and then I used this one just to do a little bit right near my eyeball. Just did a little bit of like eyeshadow liner situation. But these two are really interesting, and you think this is the normal fluffy, but it's actually kind of sandwiched a little bit, which makes it really nice because it kind of really, that tapered tip really gets into the crease, but then it's fluffy, so it's really easy to blend. And then this one was perfect for what I was doing, which was just laying a little bit of a darker shade right into the outer V area. The little triangle shape just means that it fit perfectly right into that crease area. So I really like these two Moda brushes. Oh, and the Moda brushes were $15. I don't know if I said that. I'm pretty sure I said that the Natasha Denona palette was $48. Okay, up next we have from Half Cake Beauty. Can we talk about this packaging? I already took them out, but like, I just had to show you guys. This is absolutely the cutest packaging ever. This is from Half Cake, which I've never heard of before. This is their Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. There is 3 of them. These lip fondant liquid lipsticks go on with a feather-light texture and dry completely matte. For best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. So I kind of wish it wasn't a liquid lipstick because I don't wear these very often anymore. I much prefer wearing like a bullet lipstick or wearing a lip gloss, or like, let's be honest, I don't even wear lip products much anymore because if I leave the house I'm wearing a mask, so I'm just wearing a lip balm underneath, and then so really the only time I'll put them on is when I'm doing a makeup look. So I preferred something else, but I'll swatch all 3 for you guys. So let's start with the lightest one. This is Theme Song. Ooh, these remind me of like cake batter. And this is the doe foot applicator. It's got like a little indent in the center, so it holds product. I got it on my teeth. So this is the shade Theme Song. I really do like this color. It's a little lighter and pinkier in person, and we're just gonna give it a minute to see if it dries down matte or if it keeps this shine. Okay, so it's been a minute-ish. I don't know if you can see, but it still has a little bit of life to it. Like it's not completely matte. It's actually quite sticky. I don't know if you can see that. So that's kind of nice. I don't like that it's not super duper matte because that means it's more comfortable. Oh, it definitely transfers. Look at that. Let's try the other 2 shades. Okay, the next shade we're gonna go into is Low Key. So this is the next shade. It is a very nice berry. Like it's coming off more red on camera, but in real life it's a very berry tone. You can see in the tube. This one was a little thinner, a little more streaky, so I kind of had to go over it a little bit more. And this one looks a little drier. I don't know if you can see. And this one isn't as sticky. As you can see, it barely transferred this one. So it's interesting that in between the 2 shades, kind of different formula. And the last shade is Bordeaux. This is a nice red. So this is the last shade, Bordeaux, which is also a gorgeous shade. It is like, it's such a nice deep red. Oh, I love a good red. There you go. These are the 3 shades, and all 3 come for $32. Like I said, I really don't wear liquid lipsticks anymore, but all 3 are such beautiful shades, and this one has dried down a lot too. Maybe it's just that first one that was like a little weird. Okay, and the last product is, this is the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner, and this is actually a new launch. So we got a very new launch in our Boxycharm. This toner is packed with antioxidant rich green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It is formulated with red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, purify, leaving skin feeling fresh, soft, hydrated, and revitalized. So it says close your eyes and spray evenly onto cleansed skin, holding the bottle about 6 inches away from your face. So I'm going to wash my face. I know we just put on all this makeup, but I'm going to wash it and I'm going to try out this toner. Curious what it'll be like. I don't really use hydrating toners. I usually use pore cleaning, oil reducing toners, so we'll see what this is like. Okay, I realized actually I can do this on camera, so I just washed my face. Okay, so what did it say? It said very evenly onto cleansed skin, 6 inches. What's 6 inches away? Great test. Okay, pretty good mist. I don't know if you saw that at all. Okay, pretty powerful mist. Did I even get any? Whoa. It like absorbed so quickly into the skin. Did I even get any out of my skin? I might have applied way too much, but whoa. Whoa. That just absorbed like so quickly. Like I barely even had to rub anything in compared to like a normal, like a setting spray. Like, you know, usually the water sits on your face, but oh wow. The scent is interesting. Reminds me of like a hotel pool. My skin definitely feels smooth. You know how after you wash your face, sometimes you get a little bit of that like tight feeling? It definitely got rid of it, but since it's a toner, I definitely need to put on moisture on top of it. So I'm going to do that and then we'll finish discussing. Okay, so this toner, I don't know if I said the price of the toner. This toner is $40. So the total of this box is $159 US. There were a bunch of really great brands in here, like 2 Natasha Denona and Benefit. Those are pretty well-known names. I also know Moda and Dr. Brandt as well from Boxycharm. So there's only one brand that I've never heard of before, and honestly I absolutely love all their packaging and branding. I kind of want to check out more of this brand, and that's the really cool thing about Boxycharm, is that it does introduce you to new brands. So overall guys, I would say this box is a success. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think this was a good box? And if you receive Boxycharm, what are some of the products that you get? Because I know everyone gets different products. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more makeup content. I'm not sure which video is going up first, but there is also a gift guide. I'm doing a big gift guide in time for Black Friday, and I have so much planned for the holiday season, including Vlogtober. So, not Vlogtober, including Vlogmas. So I will see you guys later. Bye!